Okay, now for the legs, we are going to cut these into 15-inch pieces. I need 4 total. Now that we have them cut, we are going to put a round edge around it. So I just found anything that's pretty much going to fit to make a round edge. And then we'll take our jigsaw and we will cut out the round edge. Now a little sanding to clean them up. Now for the holes, we're going to go one and 3/4 down, or 1 3/4 across. By 1 1/2 down. Make a pilot hole. Now to avoid tear out, I like to put it on another board so it go through that board. Now we just simply line up the next one. Continue on the rest of the legs. Take our legs, put one on one side, one on the other. This is just a block of wood that's 1 inch wide. I like to keep a little space in between. So we'll go here. I also like to prevent tear out. Just get a piece of wood on the outside, clamp it in there. Nice and tight. Make sure we're tight down there. Come in. To get the correct angles on the legs to make sure that my deck is 12 inches off the ground. Some people use a paint can, that works fine. One day I just built this jig and it pretty much puts it spot on at 12 inches. So I'm just going to continue using this. I put it right in the middle. This is hanging over. Take my pencil and just Mark a line. Get the line there. Now we just try to line up the angle. This looks like it might be 30 degrees, which is pretty much standard on cornhole sets. Now to finish these up and secure the legs onto the board, other than a ton of sanding to get the boards prepared to be painted, this is how we're going to attach the legs. You got your carriage bolt. I'm going to knock that into place so it's locked in. Take our washer, put it on, put the leg on, another washer. Take our lock nut, and tighten this until it's nice and tight. The good thing about the lock nut, it keeps the leg tight to the side, so they're not just flopping around when you're trying to store and such as that. Give it so it's nice and snug. It doesn't just fall. It's nice and tight. And we're good to go.